You know, Corbeau seats are not even expensive race seats.
Right.
I mean, they just say Corbeau on them.
Right.
So our cross braces are going to line up without cutting.
They come with caviar. Because it looks like you've eaten caviar.
Our back rail for this, we're going to be able to install without cutting, which is a good thing.
Right.
And everything's lined up to where everything will fit without too much modification.
Yeah.
Cool.
Sweet.
This is the part I've been dreading.
What, chip boosting the build?
No, weld.
Oh. Weld?
Yeah.
Why?
Why?
Because I don't know.
Oh, well, you just do everything, figure out what it's got to be.
Grinder and paint, you know.
Make you the welder I ain't.
Yeah, that's how it works.
Yeah.
And then you have to grind well paint together.
So the shifter is the only dilemma,
Right.
right?
Which we just figured that out.
Yeah.
He's already drilled the hole for it, moved it up 3 inches.
I just need a tab.
So, and I think we should be all right with the 2 of the rods, or 3 of the rods.
Yeah.
All right, so the back tubes don't have to be plated, but you have 8 of these. Right?
Yeah.
Nice.
You got 8 or 6?
8.
Okay, so that'll take care of your dove plating from the main tube forward.
Right. Those bars there are going to the course mount, to the training tunnel.
Mm. It is 8 point.
Give a shout out to who did that.
Is S&W race cars? I think it was. Oh, I
You got the sticker.
I got
Find
the
the
sticker.
sticker.
It's on the box. Let me find it.
Just holding up the sticker proud, didn't read what was on it.
I thought that it was a local guy who wanted to bend up the tubing for you.
There was, but he wasn't going to have the stock.
Clarksville.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So this
Yeah,
is
he would've had-
S&W? Because I know S&W's work.
It was mail order from Pennsylvania. They just had to.
That's S&W.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
S&W.
Oh, you didn't tell me that.
Yeah, no, the guy that was going to do it, he didn't have the
Materials.
stock. He would have had a custom order it all.
Shout out to S&W.
They bent it up in Pennsylvania.
Yeah.
S&W.
That's where
Scott
it's gonna-
Weenie.
That's where
Yeah.
it's going to sit now, Tony.
Really nice. And affordable.
Yeah, there you go.
So what's that? Cut all this out.
All right, somebody sit in the giant seat, and
Hey John, sit in there since you fit better.
here I'll hold it from this
Yeah,
side.
there's only got one bolt in it.
Okay.
Girthy. Okay. I'm going to start calling him Agartha. Agartha!
Okay, now wait. I just realized something now. Okay. You're gonna have to have a removable steering wheel on this thing.
Yep.
I was going to bring it closer to us.
All right, just stop for a second. This is the second gear position it's in right now. Yeah.
Yeah, go all the way up
Okay.
with it.
Okay, you're good there. All right.
All right, now line it back up.
Now, before you go any further, Al, watch out. Get out of the car. Okay, hold it. The steering column, your knee is in the steering
Well, remember the seat's in neutral right now. The seat can still go back.
It can be moved back.
Yeah, it's not adjustable
sliders.
It's got
sliders.
sliders on it.
Like, it'll go like 6 inches back.
Yeah, it'll go all the way back.
But now you're in the roll bar.
Yeah.
It can move it.
Well, I mean,
It's gonna have a stop somewhere or
yeah,
another, but there's some adjustment.
Yeah.
Now, is that the seat all the way back?
I believe so.
All right, now put your feet back in there. Hold the shifter.
All right, so you got to position the roll bar now
Oh yeah.
back. What do you mean that much?
I've already did 2 different measurements.
No,
Yeah, like I can't even reach the pedal.
it's got to come all the way back. There you go, because now the crossbar, put the crossbar up.
Crossbar or the back bar?
The crossbar. No, not that one. The one that goes all the way across.
I don't have that
That's
one.
over here.
Oh, where is it?
Yeah, like if I'm all the way back here, I can't even.
Well,
Work
we got to
pedals,
fit.
so.
We got to fit where you're going to be comfortable with your
And then-
legs and the seat.
Well, it's not just that. You've got to be able to get in and out of the car. You don't
Yep.
have a steering column in here now. Like,
Yep.
you can't fit things
Now
until
put-
you've got.
Put your seat where you would be at driving it.
I sit pretty up. So.
And you're the longest leg out of all three, right? All right. So that
Am I?
Yeah.
Well, just wait till you get the crossbar. Grab the crossbar.
I don't know, what's your leg length? Pants wise?
I'm like 32 inching.
Yeah, I'm 32 as well. 32, 34.
Mine's
up?
weird.
Was yours 28?
Yeah, it's weird.
Good
Well, the
job.
height, use this for the height.
Yeah.
Okay, that's not even,
you gotta spin it around.
oh, that makes sense now.
All right, now bring it down a little bit.
I can't bring it down any further. It's,
It's in the tunnel.
yeah, you gotta bring your end down.
I already have.
There you go. A little more. Well, still, we're still too high because of the shoulder. Just tilt forward.
Give me tape measure.
Just tilt forward. Where's the shoulder strap? Oh, okay.
They go up here.
For those two.
So
Okay.
they're fine there.
It's right
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you
Okay.
need like 1.5 inch drop, right?
No, you're good.
So there's gotta be a minimum of 4 inches below where the belt comes over. So right there we're sitting 3.5.
That's fine.
Yeah, so we're good there because you want it to go up this way. You don't want to be up here with it.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, it'll clear mine.
All right, well, since you're the longest legged person out of the three, so we should be fine where the roll bar's at.
I got the shortest, so.
Okay. Now, can you get in and out of the car? Because remember, you got to climb over the bolster there.
We have door bar openers. if that
Well,
makes a
yeah,
difference.
that's gonna be a thing.
Yeah.
Where's the steering column?
Well, they also got a door kit too, so
Yeah,
Right
this is
there.
what I'm saying. It's like
Yeah.
we.
It's over there.
column, steering wheel.
Oh, where?
On the box.
On the box right there.
This part, where's the part that actually bolts onto the dashboard?
That was in the car, and where it got moved, I don't know.
All of that stuff is sitting next to the doors.
Oh, it is?
I just took it off the trunk so I could open the trunk.
There's that stuff right here. This piece.
Yeah. So,
Properly back in the corner there.
this is going to fit right. Turn that like that. Yeah. All right, so now get in and out.
All right, next thing's gonna be steering wheel too.
Well, that's gonna be a release.
Your seats are actually too high.
You're going to have a detachable wheel.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That's no big deal.
All right, go get the steering wheel.
Yeah. I'm not even upset about that because right here we're directly lined up with the box, which is nicer than where
Yeah, I
you'd be
mean,
sitting.
detachable wheels no big deal.
No, I'm not worried about that too much.
Hold this. I'm going to get the shaft and stick it through there.
The other steering wheel's smaller than that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, we got a smaller wheel than that.
All right, that's about 3/4 of an inch closer to you than it will be. Here, just use this one because it's got a pivot on it already, the same diameter, right?
No.
They're not? Okay. All right.
Yeah.
All right, so
And the hub will push it out about another inch.
Uh huh.
Because that one needs a hub to work.
huh?
That one needs a hub to bolt to the.
Well, it needs the
Yeah.
adapter.
Yeah.
Hold the steering wheel about an inch closer to you.
Sorry. It's gonna be like right at the edge of that rod.
Okay, hang on now. Let me come in there. Let me get in there. I'll hold the steering wheel.
Right. Math.
It's going to be, yeah, right there.
Mm-hmm.
All right, go ahead, get out. Okay.
It's gonna be tight, but
Not easy.
All right,
but
Austin,
doable.
you jump in there.
Oh,
Get the
that's
seats crooked. Okay. All right, that'll work.
So I'd say probably get, what is that, a 17?
This,
Yeah.
I think, yeah, it's about 15, 16.
Yeah, that'll work. Yeah, you get out now.
And they get, of course, they got the door kit.
You got the door bar that's got to.
Well, they got the door bar kit like we got.
Well, if the seat was
What?
mounted to the car.
Wait, no, yeah, wait. Stop. Go back. Get out without moving the seat.
Ouch.
You good?
Yeah, I just crushed his finger, you know.
Oh, okay. Okay, so try to get out without moving the seat, but that's kind of hard because I'm clumsy.
Ouch. Swing the one leg out.
All right. It'll make it.
Yeah.
I mean, it's close.
Quick detach is going to be the same here.
Yeah, we could get it quick.
Man, I'd almost raise that up a little
Energy.
In K.
Could raise it.
I mean, it's either that or they're going to go with like a 15 or 14-inch steering wheel.
Well, I would say right now, let's just focus on getting the bar fixed in place. We know where it's going to sit.
Yeah.
You know, we'll work our way from the back forward.
Autocross. I just don't do their steering wheels.
We'll locate these
Detachable steering wheels?
Right.
back braces to the frame rail. Get them tacked to the frame rail. Get it tacked to here,
Yep. And then get our
and
project
then
ready.
put everything else
Yeah.
from there.
That's what I told them we were going to start from the back, work
Yeah.
forward.
So it seems like the roll bars and everything.
So things that don't fit, and you make them fit.
Yeah.
Yeah, the roll bar is excellent. The only issue I'm seeing here is that it's got to be narrowed up a little bit.
Well, what's good about that is that we can use the strap and bring it in a little bit,
Yeah.
and that'll tighten it up, tack it.
Because if this was intended to be
Higher in the
It
hoop.
should be right there where the bend is in the center.
right,
That's where it should be at.
yeah,
So,
right there is where all the angles come together.
Yeah.
The seats push on it too.
so what we'll do is we'll get the
And okay, so is that bar at that height now?
Right, right there.
Right, it's still 4 inches under the shoulder, right? This is good as long as it comes
Yeah.
through
so we're good there.
under,
Yeah.
right?
So we're good there.
And then 4 inches to the shoulder. Okay, you're good.
So like I said, we'll take that yellow ratchet strap,
Yeah, squeeze it
squeeze
together.
it together, tack it in.
All right.
That'll also bring our bottom part in another half inch. So that'll get us more centered on the pad. If we do that, then we ain't got to worry about lipping it.
So it sounds like we got it figured out.
Well, yeah. That's what you got to do, brother.
I wouldn't have been able to do it.
Sure you would have.
No. So I would have been like, I'm going home.
I mean, you guys have been putting this off for the longest time.
See, that's why I was saying, man, there is no set rules
Yeah.
when you're doing anything custom.
Yeah.
I mean, what you think is going to work 1 minute
Might not work.
is not going to work when you add something
wait,
else.
don't say that because there are set rules. There's the rules that they got to go by to pass tech.
Well, that's
Yeah.
I'm just
So-
talking about general build in general.
Right.
Yeah.
But from that point,
But yeah, the roll
I
bar
hold
has to go
nothing
tagged.
sacred.
Yeah. This is going to be cool.
all right, well,
There we go. Sweet.
fit it all in and let's start getting it tacked together.
All right, put your seats out.
Were you filming the whole time?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, she got everything.
Hey, why not do it live and on the spot?
I love this seat though.
You love that seat?
Here's the guy from the gray hair guy from the 18.
It is literally the ugliest
Murdoch.
seat I've ever
What's-
seen in my life. And I've seen some pretty
not
ugly
Ace.
seats.
You're going to love it.
I ain't driving it.
But you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I love it when a plane comes together.
That's right.
Hey, Hannibal.
And sometimes it takes 3, 4, 5 heads. I mean,
Yeah, true.
The A team. Except one more like the F team at this point.
All right, so you're going to trim 3 more inches out of this.
or 2.5
2.5
Two.
more inches out of that.
to give you a total of 3.
All right. So you do that and then I'll weld them in underneath.
And I got to find a tap for a shifter.
What is it, 3/8 or 7/16?
3/8.
Course.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll bring them in from the house.
Okay.
Yeah, because I know I don't have anything here.
All right.
And John, you're at large.
You're making him sound like he's wanted.
All right, everybody gets attacking
There's
and
at
doing
least
stuff like
one
that,
person. Yeah.
and that was fun.
there.
See you tomorrow.
See ya.
Corbeau. It's French for ugly f***ing seat.
It's French for raven.
It's Corbeau. It's French for raven. Corbeau.
I don't know. I've only seen Corbeau seats in.
Don't smear your Grey Poupon over it. You know?
Grey Poupon.
Corbeau.
Do you have any? Do you have any Grey Poupon, sir?
No, I'm not worthy.
I mean, you want to get some chicken Corbeau blue?
Are y'all putting the glove box back in?
Yeah, it's gonna be there in spirit, I guess.